Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, I'll be showing you guys how to place the band in your wig. And this band is by Donna Wig Band. Usually I will go on Amazon and buy me a wheel, but I ran out over the holidays, so I had to run to the hair store and grab one of these. And it's actually, I want to say, my first time trying it on a wig of mine. This is my unit that I wear, I have to say, almost every day. And girls and guys, look at the hair. Look at the hair, guys. Ooh. If y'all want the plug, leave a comment below, but make sure you're subscribed and I'll give you the real hair plug where you would have this hair for years. This is actually the third time I remade this unit. So guys, make sure you're subscribed, leave a comment below, share with your friends and family, and get this video to at least 100 likes, guys, okay? I'm not asking for much, but I am begging for likes, okay? Now, like I said, guys, this is the first time I'll be using this no slip wig band by Donna in a unit of my own. I've actually used it on a client or two before, I'm not sure, but I know I have used it before. So guys, I actually like this because when I order the wheel from Amazon, it doesn't have the one that I order anyway. And I'm gonna look into that. The one that I order, it doesn't come with that, what do you call it, that grip right there inside of it. And guys, remember when you're putting on the rubber, make sure it's on the inside, okay guys, because that's what's going to keep your wig to stay in place. Now my unit is actually a 6x6 lace frontal, not frontal, lace closure. And I have the bundles in there, but like I said, if you want information on that, guys, I'll give you the information in the comments, or maybe in the next video if I have enough inquiries about it. Now, so I will be cutting it in half. It's long enough for any size head, guys, so don't worry about cutting it in half. It's fine. And the way I'm going to do it, I'm just showing you guys in this video the actual placement of where you're supposed to place the band. The measurement of it, I'm going to show you guys how I do mine, or tell you guys how I do mine. But I place one side in first, put the wig on, stretch it over, make sure it's a good fit, not too tight, because sometimes when you measure and it's just not, it's either too tight, maybe too loose. So I rather put on the unit and then measure it that way on my head or a model's head, right? So that's something you guys should take into consideration instead of using a measuring tape or whatever. So guys, this is where I'll be placing the first stitch, or the band. This is where I'll be placing the band. Okay, the first placement of the band. Exactly right there, okay guys? And what I'm doing right here, I am burning the sides of the band so it doesn't like ravel out or anything. It will be nice and stuck together. Make sure when you get your placement, you hold it tightly, flip it over, and make sure you have it firmly in your grasp and start to sew. We are actually sewing on right below the line of the lace. right below the line of the lace, the long side, the vertical side, each side of the lace. That's where we're sewing. So if you did not see, make sure go back, replay it, and pay attention, guys. And if it's your first time here, I want to say hi, my name is Alicia Handles It, and on this channel what I do is tutorials, how-tos, unboxings, reviews, anything having to do with beauty. I just started this channel about 7-8 months ago, so there's going to be more stuff incorporated. So you guys stick around, make sure you hit the subscribe button and join the squad. That's all it takes to become a handler. Just hit that subscribe button. And I noticed that a lot of my viewers are not subscribed. Guys, just hit the subscribe button. Please just hit the subscribe button. And if I were you, I would definitely be subscribed. I would be sharing this channel with family members and friends, and make sure to press the like button because, guys, all 2023, there's going to be giveaways. There are going to be giveaways, guys. So if I were you guys, I would join the handlers and become a part of the squad. And on top of that, you'll learn stuff and get to see, little ASMR stuff, whatever. If you enjoy looking at hair, here's the place to be. No pun intended. So I'm finishing up this side, guys, and my suggestion to you guys would not to sew it too close or too tight, because over time elastics wear out. So if you're using hair as good as the one I am using in this video, you would need to not sew it too tight. You can really get those edges, but leave it to where it's snug but easy to cut out when you want to switch it out. Alrighty. And remember to always knot the ends after you cut your thread, because you don't want your thread to slide through as you're pulling your wig on through the times that you're wearing it. So guys, I really want you to pay attention, because I really did research on how to plant this band in any kind of wig, whether it be 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, 7x7, or a full frontal wig. I really don't like 360s. I'll explain that to you guys why in another video. But I mean, when I first started doing units, I used to put the band in the weirdest places, because I figured, oh yeah, it's a method to the madness, and I did the research. So you guys, this is the video. This is a 6x6 lace frontal unit, and this is the video you guys need to watch if you're trying to have your wig to seem glueless, because no wig is really glueless. It can be, but we'll get into another video also. But yeah, this is why they call wigs glueless, because of the firmness and the snugness, if that's even a word, of the wig. And that is achieved by how good and where the band is placed. Okay, guys, remember what I said. The same exact side as the other side. On the vertical side of your lace, that is where you're going to place it. If it was a full frontal wig, the band would actually be on the lace, okay? But because this is a 6x6, we don't have to place it on the lace. But we're going to place it to where it's going to pull that lace down on your forehead really snug. You guys stay till the end of the video, because you will see what I'm talking about. So guys, there you have it. Snug, really snug, not moving. You can actually put it in a ponytail, braid. Look at the quality, guys. Just look at it. But anyway, you can actually put it in a ponytail, drag it, whatever. It's not going to move, okay? Yeah, guys. So remember to be subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. But first, I wanted to show you guys the outcome. I don't have to put no got-to-be spray. I don't have to put any glue, anything. But you guys will be seeing my beautiful face more often. And I love you guys. And thanks for joining the squad. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Happy New Year's, handlers.